Introduction to Atal Tinkering Lab. Set up by the Government of India under Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. The Atal Tinkering Lab, ATL, is an initiative started in 2016. Explore the world of innovation, Atal Tinkering Lab. For innovators, ATL promotes a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship in India. What is Atal Tinkering Lab? ATL is a cool space where you can create, experiment, and learn new things using fun tools. Set up by the Government of India under Niti Aayog. It's all about creativity, science, and innovation. Who is a tinker? A tinker is someone who loves to fix things, try new ideas, and build cool stuff. Tinkerers are like scientists plus inventors plus artists combined. They ask, what happens if I try this? A tinker is an innovator, someone who creates something new to solve problems. What can you do in ATL? Build robots. Create fun science projects. Design your own games or machines. Learn coding. Use 3D printers, sensors and more. Why ATL is awesome? Fun learning, hands-on experiments. Teamwork, work in groups with your friends. Problem solving, learn how to fix real-world problems. Confidence, show your ideas to the world. Cool tools in ATL, 3D printers. Arduino boards. Sensors and circuits. Telescope. DIY kits and models. Let's explore electronics. Content, Module 1. Current, it's the flow of electricity. Like water flowing in pipes. Sensor, a sensor can feel. It detects light, sound, temperature, etc. Motor, it moves things. We'll learn more soon. Actuator, it performs action like opening a door or turning a fan. Fun fact, electronics are the building blocks of robots. Hello robots. Module 2, robots are machines that can think, sense, and do. We'll learn to use Arduino, it's the brain of a robot. Arduino helps your robot make decisions and move. Magic of 3D printing. Module 3, 3D printer makes real things from plastic by printing layer by layer. You can create toys, tools, models, and even chocolate. Try this. Design your own keychain using Tinkercad. Let's learn to code. Module 4, coding is like giving instructions to a computer. We'll use fun tools like Scratch to create games and animations. Example, move 10 steps, makes your cat sprite walk. Smart world with Internet of Things, IoT. Module 5, IoT connects devices to the Internet to talk to each other. Example, a smart bulb you can switch on from your mobile. Think about, what if your plant could text you when it needs water? AI and ML, the thinking machines content. Module 6, AI helps machines think like humans. Machine learning teaches machines to learn from data. Example, voice assistants like Alexa, Siri. Amazing projects by kids like you. Automatic plant watering system. Smart school bell. Simple robotic arm. Water-saving taps. Yes. Our school has an ATL. You can visit, explore, and create. Teacher and mentor will help you. Join fun ATL clubs and activities. How to get started? Think of a cool idea. Use ATL tools to build it. Show it to your class and participate in exhibitions. What is a machine? A machine is something that helps us do work or makes things easier. Like a toy robot, a washing machine, or a bicycle. What is a motor? A motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into movement. It helps fans spin, cars move, and robots dance. Meet famous young innovators. You can be next. Let's tinker together. ATL is equal to Imagine plus Make plus Learn. Ready to create something amazing? Big ideas start small. Let's explore and innovate. Thank you. Ready to tinker? Let's begin. Any questions? Thanks.